Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks. So as you know, in this series, we talk about all those small details that we miss out while we study. In my previous videos, I have already talked about structural members, and one of the structural members of the residential building is a staircase. What is there to ask about a staircase? Whenever we talk about a staircase, we talk about just few things like the landing, then the going and the landing. Then what is the height of the staircase? What is the height of the first going? Also, we talk about the width of the going and the landing. Now, there is one thing that we miss asking. Why is there a gap between two goings? Now, when we talk about a staircase, we just construct a going. Like suppose this is your going, okay? And then we start another going from here in this way, right? So a staircase can be constructed in this way, but you can always notice, like this is the side view, okay? So you can always notice there is a gap between these two goings. So staircases are not constructed like this. There is always a gap like this. So what is the purpose of this gap? Why is there gap between these two goings? So today we will talk about that. There are three basic purposes of these goings. First one, the gap between the goings are provided so that we can provide handrails on the staircase. Now what is a handrail? That you can see in the image. Our second purpose is for the firefighting. Like suppose the house you designed or your own house catches fire, then what you are going to do? You will call a firefighter team. A firefighter team will come and they will spray water jet. Now, they can spray water jet from the outside. But if there is a space between these two goings, like I have shown you, between these two goings there is a space, then you can move your pipe from this gap to the top floor or to the floor in which there is accidental fire. So that can help you in firefighting. And our third and the most obvious point is to avoid the echoes on the staircase, and also it will provide a provision for the lighting. So if there is a gap between the goings, then you can see that you have a proper lighting on the staircase and you don't face the problem of echo. So that was all for today, and in the last I have to make one announcement for you. From the upcoming Monday, that is on 13th July, we are starting our new batches of estimation, SketchUp and Tekla structures. To know the details of the course, you can call on 8433248864. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.